Right, this is a quick demonstration on how to connect Wio Bank to Fiskl. So the first thing you need to do is navigate from your home screen on the dashboard to the banking section. In the banking section, you'll see that we have a new tab for Wio. So we'll connect Wio. Here you have some sync settings. So this decides the duration of the consent. This is how long we can read transactions from your account for. The maximum is 365, and the start date of your transactions. So you can choose all, or you can choose a start date. So I'm going to choose all in this case. Actually, I'm going to just choose the start date of 2024 and just the 1st of January 2024. Right, and then you click sync. This will take you through to your Wio bank account, where you will need to sign in to authorize Fiskl to be able to sync to your transactions. So I'm going to sign in with a sample account. Right, so now what you'll be presented with is consent details. So this is allowing Fiskl access to your accounts. So these are the accounts for which transactions will be pulled in. So I'm going to choose consent for actually all of my accounts, which are 2 accounts in here. And I'm going to choose to say allow. This can be revoked at any time. Right, so now you'll get a message to your phone with the code, and we'll enter that code. And now the processing is happening, and you'll be redirected back to Fiskl. This can take a few minutes. Right, so what you'll find now is that you have your accounts connected in Fiskl. We have this under the connection. You can rename this to, whatever you want. Within these accounts, you can also choose to, set what name you want your accounts to have. And if we click on the transactions, we will go and we'll see whatever transactions were imported. We also create an opening balance to represent all the transactions that happened before this. And if we go look at the other account, we'll see the same thing. We'll see all the transactions. Any new transactions will automatically come through and appear in your account. In banking, you see the bank connections, and in your accounting chart of accounts, if we expand this, we will see our two Wio accounts, which is the same as clicking on the transactions. So if we go back to banking, if you ever wanted to disconnect, you can either disconnect from here, or you can log into your Wio bank account and revoke consent, and we will disconnect the bank connections, but your transactions will remain unaffected. And that's how you connect Wio to Fiskl.